Introducing the 2021 Chevrolet Corvette. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Corvette Grand Sport delivers smoking performance, nimble handling, refined styling, and customizable technology to produce a unique and elevated driving experience. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, 8-cylinder engine, electronic stability control, Wi-Fi hotspot, locking limited slip differential, 8-speed AT, stability control, intermittent wipers, trip computer, bucket seats. Become one with the road or track when you take the wheel of the Corvette Grand Sport. Test drive it today.